how do you get in trouble as a listing agent, okay? How do you open up yourself to a lot of liability you don't need as a listing agent? Well, I hear more stories. I talk to more realtors per day than any living human on planet Earth, I know that. So I hear a lot of good stories, great stories, super successful fearless agent stories, but I hear about agents getting themselves in trouble sometimes too. So one of the common mistakes that fearless agent, or not fearless agents, but agents in general, all agents, including fearless agents sometimes, make is you're touring the house. So a fearless agent rings the doorbell on a listing presentation appointment. You ring the bell, you smile, you pay him a compliment, you take him to the kitchen table, you break the ice, and then you do the expired list intro, then you do the preview of coming attractions, and then you ask them the series of questions, and then they're sold on you at the end of the fearless agent questions before you've ever toured the house. But then you go on the tour of the house, and the seller says something like this. They'll say, oh, we replaced our roof, and that stain up there on the ceiling, that little brown spot up there, yeah, we're going to paint over that. If you're a fearless agent, you would say, oh no, you will not be painting over that. Because if anybody sees that you painted over that, that's how you get the lawsuit after the closing and you've been paid and that kind of stuff. The other one that I commonly hear about these days is solar. You have leased solar panels. You make sure that all those kind of problems, solar is always a problem, but you make sure that that is paid off by the seller. So whatever the payoff is, take that out of the net that you estimate the seller. So it's little things like that that set you apart as a fearless agent and actually get you the listing sometimes. You're keeping them from having liability, and they know you know more about real estate than your competitors do. So there are several ways you can try Fearless Agent before you become a member. First, go to our website, fearlessagent.com, and go to the webinar in the upper right-hand corner in the banner. Click on that, watch that. It's about 45 minutes long. Take a bunch of notes. That's going to help you for sure. Number two would be watch all the videos on our website. Okay, there's lots of great training videos there. I guarantee you that's going to be better training for free than you would pay any other coach in America any amount of money for. That's our guarantee. And then the third thing is you can call me. There will be a no pressure, no closing you, free complimentary coaching call, and we'll just find out who you are. And once we know who you are, then of course it's all about your customers. So we'll do a good job of seeing if Fearless Agent is a good fit for you. If it is, you're going to get rich. If it's not, I'll still help you in any way I can, because the main thing is we want to make you a fearless agent. Thanks.